IGCSE 0500 First Language English, Descriptive Writing. Some background of descriptive writing. This is considered the most demanding of the two options. Before we proceed, the two options are narrative writing and descriptive writing. These questions can be found in your paper too. Candidates should have a strong command of vocabulary. The purpose is to describe the relevant mood, creative images, and fluency of the language. It's also essential for candidates to effectively touch base on literary devices, namely imagery, similes, metaphors, onomatopoeia, personification, hyperbole, alliteration, as well as sensory details, which are basically the five senses. Candidates should have a variety in terms of sentence length and sentence types. Remember, the objective of descriptive writing is to show the examiner and the readers, not to tell them. Sensory words. First of all, we have words related to sight, such as colors, shape, or appearance. Words related to touch focuses on textures, and you can use them to describe feelings, emotions, and even abstract concepts. Thirdly, there are words related to hearing, which obviously relates to sounds. For instance, crashing, thumping, piercing, tingling, squeaky. These words are often also known as onomatopoeia because they mimic the sounds. Taste and smell are closely related, and motion is sensory as well. By using active words or describing movements, you can actually help your readers to experience what you're trying to portray. There are other techniques that come into mind. First of all, simile. A simile is a word or phrase that likens one object to another object, a person to another person, an animal to another animal. For example, rain drummed against the window like a machine gun. The simile in this sentence is like a machine gun. Next, metaphor. A metaphor is a word or phrase that is applied to an object with which it wouldn't normally be associated with. For example, this tree was a skyscraper in the landscape. Personification. This takes place when a writer gives human qualities to something non-human. Shadows danced, or rain screamed in anger. Pathetic fallacy. This refers to a scene which mimics human emotions. So would you like a good grade in IGCSE? If you do, here are some tips. Be clear so that the reader can follow your writing. Use paragraphs and connectives, or also known as conjunctions. Use a wide range of vocabulary. A thesaurus could help you, but not in the examination. So you should start building up your vocabulary now. Use techniques to show that you understand the style of writing. For descriptive writing, we want to see exciting adjectives, some similes, metaphors, personification, and of course, include your five senses. And above all, ensure there is proper usage of punctuation, accurate spelling, and appropriate grammar. Make sure you have your capital letters in the right place. Cross your T's and dot your I's. Check to make sure that you have used the correct tenses. Thank you.